Hi guys, this is Nature Legend back for another video. Today I am filming some birds that I've found on my bird feeder in my garden that I filled up just a couple of days ago. I think there's sparrows, a coal tit, there's a pigeon on the ground. Yeah, I think it's just sparrows and coal tits. Yeah. I've got some seeds that I've gotten drained down that I got from Pets at Home. And on the left I got some fat balls also from Pets at Home. They seem to love them. Thanks a lot for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe. See ya, bye.